Hi, I'm Jennifer from MAAS Nursery, and we're going to tell you how to have some success with your succulents today. A succulent is a plant that stores its water in its leaves, so you can feel it nice and juicy. All cacti are succulents, but not all succulents are cacti. Today we have two different specimens that want entirely different situations out of life. This echeveria loves the sun, thrives in sun, develops this beautiful deep rosy color when it gets enough exposure to light. On the other hand, this haworthia wants to be in filtered or bright indirect light and will actually turn red when it is exposed to too much light. This will turn green when it does not get enough light. You want to make sure that your high light cacti and succulents get 4 to 6 hours of strong sunlight or a grow light. This will thrive in your indoor lighting conditions. It does not really need a specialized lighting to keep it thrilled and happy to be alive. Both of these are going to be low water requirements. That's what they have in common with each other, as with other cacti and succulents.